Imagine dropping 2 grand or more on a brand new catalytic converter, only to realize a $20 to $30 bottle might have saved it months earlier. Crazy, right? But here's the truth most shops won't tell you. A failing cat is often just symptoms of upstream gunk. Carbon, oil fouling, bad combustion, and the right cleaner at the right time can burn that off and bring efficiency back. Millions of drivers have cleared P0420 codes and passed emissions without touching a wrench. Today, I'm breaking down 9 legit options that actually deliver, backed by real user results and mechanic experience. But stick around, I'll also expose 3 cleaners that can torch your engine or O2 sensors faster than you can say check engine light. Let's dive in and save you some serious cash. Number 9, solder it, catalytic converter, and deodorizer. That rotten egg smell hitting you in traffic? Yeah, that's hydrogen sulfide cooking in a fouled catalytic converter, not your imagination, and definitely not something you want your passengers noticing. Solder it tackles that odor head on, while loosening light carbon and soot buildup inside the cat. It's got a solvent blend heavy on alcohols that dissolves oily residues without attacking rubber seals or fuel lines. At around $15 to $17, it's one of the most wallet-friendly starters. Great for early warning signs like a faint sulfur whiff or a fresh P0420 that's only been on a couple weeks. Pour the whole bottle into a near full tank, drive normally until low, refill, and repeat every oil change interval to maintain flow. Many folks report the smell vanishes in 50 to 100 miles. Number 8, Liqui-Moly Catalytic System Cleaner. German precision isn't just marketing. This stuff is engineered for quick action on soot, varnish, and combustion leftovers that choke cats, valves, and sensors. Unlike tank-only additives, Liqui-Moly offers 2 flavors: the spray into intake Catalytic System Clean for direct assault, and the pour-in Catalytic System Clean for ongoing prevention. The spray version is the heavy hitter. Grab a helper, rev to 2,000 to 3,000 RPM, and mist it steadily into the intake while the engine gulps. It breaks down deposits fast, often smoothing idle and throttle response the same day. Number 7, Wristlone Cat Complete Fuel, Exhaust, and Emissions System Cleaner. Facing an emissions test and your scanner shows borderline readings? This is the one mechanics reach for when time's short. Wristlone packs polyetheramine, PEA, the same powerhouse in top-tier gas, for serious carbon stripping across the fuel system, injectors, O2 sensors, and CAT. It also includes combustion improvers that help burn cleaner. Real story, had a buddy's truck fail smog twice. Oil burning had coated everything. 1 bottle and a half tank, aggressive driving for 30 minutes, then full tank. Passed with margin, saved $800 plus in CAT and O2 fixes. They even back it with a guarantee on emissions failure if used right. Mix in half tank for cars, quarter for trucks or SUVs, then drive hard. Repeat every 5,000 miles for prevention. Number 6, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Don't sleep on this one just because it's only a fuel system cleaner. It's legendary for preventing and reversing cat contamination at the source. Dirty injectors dump uneven fuel, sending unburned hydrocarbons straight to the cat, baking on carbon. Techron's super high PEA concentration scrubs injectors back to near factory spray, cuts rich running, and carries enough solvent downstream to loosen exhaust gunt. BMW, GM, and others trusted it for years. Many clear minor P0420 after 1 treatment. Pour into low tank, fill up, drive normally. Use every 5,000 miles with premium gas for bulletproof prevention. Controversial bonus, some run a double dose before long trips for deep clean. You running Techron regularly? Does it keep your codes away? Number 5, lacquer thinner. This old school hack gets debated endlessly, but when done precisely, it can melt light varnish and carbon in neglected cats. Lacquer thinner's mix, acetone, toluene, methanol, mirrors some commercial solvents, and heat from combustion does the heavy lifting. Dilute properly, about 1 part thinner to 10 parts fresh gas, never more, too much risks seals. Drive highway speeds, keep RPMs elevated 2,000 plus for 100 to 150 miles. Some swear it dropped their P0420 after months of ignoring it. Critics worry about plastics, but diluted that low, modern fuel systems handle it fine. Gasoline has aggressive components already. Not preventative, use sparingly, and only if milder options failed. Tried this hack? Success or disaster? Number 4, Duralube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment. Oil burning is a cat killer. Worn rings and seals let phosphorus and zinc poison the substrate. Duralube targets that oily fouling specifically, dissolving residues while shielding against future contamination. It also hits O2 sensors, injectors, and heads for smoother running and lower emissions. Pour the 16 ounces into a near-empty tank, fill up, drive normally. No forced revving needed. Great for higher mileage vehicles leaking a bit of oil. Many report restored MPG and quieter exhaust. If both CAT and O2 codes are popping, this often tackles both. Dealing with oil consumption? This one's a game changer. Number 3, OxyCat Oxygen Sensor and Catalytic Converter Cleaner by Blue Chem Group. This newer German entry stands out for versatility. Gas, diesel, turbos, and it lingers in the exhaust instead of burning off instantly. Patented oxygen release compounds supercharge the stream at CAT temps, breaking gum, varnish, and soot on sensors and substrate. One can treats up to 16 gallons. Drive normally. Light often clears in 1 to 2 days. Preventative every few months keeps things pristine. Unique edge, turbo-friendly, no issues with modern diesels. Have diesels in your fleet? OxyCat might be your go-to. Number 2, CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emission System Cleaner. Built for crunch time. Fail emissions 3 times, treat, pass 50 miles later. Blends naphtha, diesel-like carriers, and PEA substitute to blast heavy buildup and delay reclogging. Cleans full fuel and exhaust path, restores airflow, cuts rich conditions. One 12-ounce bottle for 16 gallons gas only. Drive normal or rev hard if test is tomorrow. Cheap at $12, double money back guarantee. Perfect when the light's been on forever and milder stuff failed. Used CRC for a last-minute smog? Tell me how it went. Number 1, Cataclean Complete Engine, Fuel, and Exhaust System Cleaner. The gold standard for over 30 years. Tens of thousands of success stories worldwide. High concentration acetone, isopropanol, and xylene blend hits fuel lines to DPF or PPF, EGR, O2 sensors, injectors, valves, combustion chamber, and CAT. Works gas, diesel, hybrid, flex fuel. 1 16-ounce in quarter tank, drive 15 plus minutes normal. Light often clears in 10 to 50 miles. Restores economy, throttle, acceleration. Pricier at $30, but worth it. Many say it's the only one that truly revived a borderline CAT. Preventative every 3 to 6,000 miles. Cataclean fans, how many treatments before it saved your CAT? With the good stuff covered, let's talk pitfalls. These 3 fixes can wreck thousands in repairs. Danger number 3, sodium hydroxide. Some drain cleaner soaks promise to strip carbon after pulling the CAT. It does dissolve sludge, but also eats aluminum oxide wash coat, the platinum's carrier. You might get temporary flow and code clear, but then internal corrosion destroys it. Residue hits O2 sensors, corroding zirconia or platinum. Weeks to months later, total failure, $1 to $2 grand CAT plus sensors. Avoid this hack completely. Danger number 2, octane boosters marketed as CAT cleaners. Unless your engine demands premium, skip these. Many contain MMT, manganese, which plates spark plugs orange, causes misfires, and coats O2 sensors for false lean readings. ECU dumps fuel, overheats, or melts CAT. Plus, cheap solvents chew O-rings, pumps, injectors. End result, plugs, CAT, sensors, fuel system, a $5,000 nightmare. Stick to real cleaners. Danger number 1, high concentration acetone solutions over 50%. Pure or near pure acetone seems logical since it's in Cataclean, but high doses strip fuel's lubricity, dissolve plastics and rubber in lines, pump and injectors, clog filters, and create hotspots that crack rings or seize pistons. Full fuel system replacement plus engine work, easily $5,000 to $10,000. Diluted in proven formulas, it's safe. Straight high concentration is Russian roulette. Here's the real kicker. A bad CAT is almost always a symptom. Oil burning, misfires, rich condition, bad O2, delayed maintenance. Fix the root, fresh plugs, PCV, tune-up, quality oil, and pair with a good cleaner. Start there before replacement. What's killing your CAT right now? Oil use, bad gas, ignored codes? Comment below, hit subscribe for more DIY saves, and let's keep these rides running strong without breaking the bank.